you. And then your goal is to perform the task I will be laying upon with you today. Okay? So that would mean na basically lang yun bitaw, I made it as simple as possible because I don't want to add burden man sad sa inyo pong other subjects, especially nga napod akong enteg frog pod gyapon. Okay? So your task will be something like this one. Kindly look at the screen that I will be sharing with you. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Sa inyo? Okay, can you look at, I only have 4 tasks sa inyo, and then the first 2 gali is, I have 4 tasks, but then I only need 3 outputs for the, for each group. Okay? So the first one is that you need to analyze the given report. Later on, I will give you an example kung ano yung report na ibibigay ko. Number 2 is that you are to create a third normal form database design based doon sa report na binigay ko. Number 3 is that you are to identify the reports that can be generated using joins. The number 4 dayon is that you are to perform an SQL query on how to generate the approved reports. So that would mean you need to really submit yun on that day, for example, 17. May 17 will be the deadline for the first one. May Google form ako na ibibigay. Diba? May Google form akong ibibigay, tapos you have to submit the PDF file. Only 1 submission per group. And then you kindly, what do you call this one? Kindly, what do you call this one? Please make sure to check your email because I will also send my feedback to the group leaders. Okay, like if nabi tayo sayop, or maybe I can just send them a message, the messenger, but then the formal way good is through email. Okay, so that would mean if there are no problems with your first output, you can then proceed to the second one. The second one is that you are to identify the reports. So you have it here, yung specifications. Sa first 2 tasks, you have it here. Identify the tables used to create the report. The second one then is that you are to create the third normal form database design with explanation. Please make sure to include tables with cardinality. I think you're familiar with 1:1, 1:many, many. Am I right? Familiar ba na, di ba? Familiar? Okay. The third task is that you are to create a list. It's just a list lang yun. And then you are to explain dayon, no? Create a list of reports that can be generated using SQL joins. So you could either use the inner join, the plain joins, you have the left, right, and then the union, okay? And then you are to explain each of the reports. When you say explain, gali, it would mean that you are to identify what are the attributes that can be used to generate this report, okay? And then number 4 dayon, you are to perform the SQL query on how to generate the approved reports. You are to conduct a Google Meet where each of the member will perform and explain the report generated. You are to use SAM for this demonstration. So that would mean lahat will do a share screen, okay? Lahat will do a share screen. Di ba ang minaro ba I can really see ba gyud nga isa ra ka screen ang gigamit, but this time you really need to do it individually. Kaya naman, each group mates will then be assigned to a certain report. Okay? So pag number 3, dali pa lang sa number 3 daan, for example, na ako na-approve na grupo dayon. Pagkatapos sa number 3, di ba naman ay 8 to 9 reports, di ba? Each group member will be assigned. You need to specify the assigned group members. Kaya para pagkatapos sa number 4 dayon mo na lang i-perform dayon. Okay? So again, you are given with a time frame. Palihog ko, use the time frame properly. The time gaps, sorry. Okay? There are gaps between deadlines man. So you kindly use it para dili wrong inyong mahatag na output. Again, no one can proceed to task 3 and 4 not unless you perform the first one correctly. Okay? So later on, if you can already give me the list of members, if nanagali ko'y madawat nga list of members unya, I will send a message then you need to indicate ba ba for example maglista mo, you need to indicate your leader, for example, later pag mag-send mo niya sa ako, you need to indicate the leader and then the members dayon. Kaya nga naman, the leader dayon ang akong EPM. Okay, for example, ROA. Members dayon Waga, K. Del Rosario, Jeff. Example lang siya guys. And then Razalo, Vincent. Okay? You need to specify sa GC later kung kinsa yung mga members nimo. And then dili pwede nga magbalik-balik ang members sa lain grupo ha. Please make sure na if nakuha na to nga member sa lain grupo, di pa din na mag-away-away, okay? Make sure to have your members nga di labad sa ulo pa, dili sakit pud sa inyo ang whenever you do the task performance. Okay? Nakuha ba na siya? Uy, nakuha wala. Thumbs up, Dabing.
Sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's now try to have an example ha. Di na ako tanan kanina bitong tanan ako ning buhato na. Actually guys, the example I will be giving to you is the example report. Okay? So this is an example report, paminaw. Okay? This is an example report nga ma-generate in a given database design. So obviously this is a book loaning man, di ba? This is a book loaning management system. Ibig sabihin, the system records kung sino yung nanghihiram, sino yung nagsasauli, ano yung hinihiram, tapos kailan siya hiniram tapos sinauli. Okay, yung libro. Now, for this given report, if you will try to analyze it clearly, you can identify na yun, di ba? Based on your learnings and understanding, you can clearly see nga this table is generated between 3 tables, di ba? So that would mean na a report, when I say report, it means it's a combination, not a combination actually. A report is it's an output, sorry. It's an output of multiple attributes from a given list of table. Okay, diba? So for example, this is one report. This report will help me identify, diba? If you would try to understand bitaw, this is a report that will help you identify kung sino yung nag-borrow, ano yung book na na-borrow niya, kailan niya binarrow, kailan niya dapat isasauli, kailan niya sinauli, tapos ano yung status. Okay? From this one, you can then clearly identify na, okay, you have tatlo. Diba? The first one, you can say nga, okay, this includes the borrower ID. Ibig sabihin, you have the borrower. Diba? Meaning you have the borrower's table. You even have, ano pa ba? Sorry. You have the borrower's table. You also have the book table. Diba? And of course, the remaining na dayon, it's for the borrow na dayon or the transaction table. Borrow table. Diba? So for example, the borrow ID, that's for the person who's borrowing the book. And then the book ID is coming from the table na book. Diba? That's from the book ID. And then the rest dayon, if I will try to analyze this one, is that this is from the transaction table na borrow. Diba? Bantay mo? So if you will try to analyze this one, or if you will try to have this one in figure, ang porma ni dayon is that, I don't know if I can add. Paano ba mag-add ng shapes dito sa Google Sheet? Nakalimutan ko. Insert image, drawing. Di ba mag-draw dito? Ay, bawal ata. Walang shapes dito, guys. Walang shapes. Okay, so if you will try to understand this one bitaw, like for example, you would say na you have the number of tables will then be, you have the list of tables, di ba? Kayong first task man natin kanina is that you identify the tables used. Okay? You can then say list of tables. Okay? You have the borrow. You have, ano pa ba? You have the borrower's table and then the book table. Okay? That is of course a product of our analysis. Now you need to work as a group because you will then identify, because di ba yung binigay lang sa inyo, this is the only thing that I will give you, and then you will try to understand then what is this report all about. Kaya naman, di ba, after identifying the list of tables, you will then identify the list of attributes that they use na dayon, di ba? That they use to create the report. So for example, the borrower's table. The borrower's table includes how many kuan man silbi. Let's try to say, for example, they have the borrower ID, they have the loan date. Actually, ito talaga sila, di ba? Like, I can say na this is the borrow table itself. Okay? Di ba? So you can say na these are the attributes na yun. Di ba? These are the attributes. Now, how about the borrower's table? Di ba? Like you would say, meron siyang borrower ID. Wait lang. I think nasayo pa ako dito. Nasayo? Nagkamali de, sorry. You have the borrow ID. Ano pa ba? You have the borrower's name. Borrower F name. Pwede ganyan, F name. Diba? So on and then so forth. Diba? And then you also have the book table. You can even add here the book ID. Ano pa ba? You have the book name. Diba? The book author, or maybe you can have another table for the author, or diba? Like year published. So lahat sila, you would say dayon nga, okay, so from the given report, how will you be able to create dayon? Kumbaga, what you will be doing, it's a reverse engineering na dayon. Nagets ba nato atong kwandani? So that's how you will do it. So basically, for task 1, what you will really do is that you are to identify muna the tables. Once you identify na gali, maklaro man sad, di mo man sad. Like you would say, you can clearly identify na you have identified correctly the table because the given bitaw na report, the given report bitaw, this part here will help you identify, di ba? Like if there are other necessary tables, if for example, nakalimutan mong ilagay si book table, di ba? You will then question na asa lugar na ako mo si book table, di ba? So for example, like sir, it's not always by guys, I'm just giving you an example. This is only 3 tables, but I will tell you honestly, maybe the least number of tables I can give bitaw in your TPs, your final TP will be 5. So please take note na hindi talaga yan always tatlo. Okay? So you will base that one on the given report na ibibigay ko. So that, and then you will do the reverse engineering na dayon. Okay? So if you will do the reverse engineering, always ask, is this attribute fit to this table? Okay? Kaya there will really be confusions along the way, man yun. And then you need to consult with your group mates. Okay? You need to ask help from your classmates. Kaya basin bitaw, nga ikaw lang nagbuhat, ano nang ending ng kisip sa'yo, punan siya dayon. So don't do it. Make sure to do it with your classmates para inig mag-demonstration mo dayon or mag-next niti, or when you do the submission, it will be approved dayon. Okay? The third one, okay, you have it here. Napade, create a 3NF database design with explanation. Okay, so after creating, di ba, you have identified the mandane. So you kindly create the dayon are you familiar with logical database design? Familiar mo siguro, no? Or maybe, ano lang din, logical ba ang ako or physical? Okay? Wait lang muna guys. I'll look muna for an example. If pwede bang ganito. I don't know if you are familiar with this kind of inani bitaw. Okay. Nawala siya. Okay. Guys, this is a logical data model, and I do believe that you have discussed this one in your info management and then database 1. Am I right? Have you tried creating something like this one? Yan bitaw siya nga porma. But this one doesn't have cardinality, manggid, so I cannot really clearly, wait muna, let's try to have maybe this one siguro, no? I need to have something with cardinality. Are you familiar with 1:1, di ba? Kay when I asked that one, ana ba mo kay kabalo mo daan na? This one na lang de. Okay, kani siya maklaro pa siya noon. I need a logical database design nga inani guys. So guys, inani. Can you see it? Hello. Can you see it properly? Nakita ba? I don't know if you have tried this one, but if you do a logical database design, it only one table has 3 columns. The first one is yung cardinality, kung primary key ba siya or foreign key. The second one is the attribute name. The third one dayon is the data type. Okay, nakuha ba? Nagets ba? So that's the ano dayon. And then always remember dayon na we have cardinality. If you notice yung my 1:1, 1:many, and then many is to 1. Guys, di ba when I asked you about this one, you told me ba ang mana mo dani? Do I need to discuss this one again? Hello. Diba? This is one of the before learning about normalization. So I'm expecting na you have done this one, but don't worry if you have questions and then if sa'yo pasad siya, ako masad siyang i-correct or I will inform the group or especially the leader. Okay? So this is an example of a database design, a logical database design na I would want you to submit, but make sure it's already in third normal form. Nakuha ba? It should be in third normal form. Kaya kung di ba nato ma-perform gyapon ang atong task performance. Okay? Sige, let's go back to this one. Okay. Always remember talaga, sa third normal form, please make sure nga na-ay tables with cardinality. Kung dili bito, ibalik-balik gyapon na ako. Okay? The third one, identify the reports that can be generated using joins. Okay. I'll give you an example. So for example, in this given for example, nakuha naman ako dani, di ba? I have already the list of tables. Again, as mentioned earlier, reports are output of multiple attributes from a given list of table. So that would mean, what are the possible reports that can be generated using the tables na I have already identified. So for example, kanisha, the first table na gihatag sa atua, for example, I can use this one as one of the answer. Okay, you have it here. List of borrowers. I can say list of borrowers. So how do I explain this one, dayon? In explaining it, you need to put here, for example, attributes. Attributes involve or use na lang, sorry. You would say dayon, kaya na po din siya. You can just copy this one na lang dayon. Okay? Wala siya, di ba? List of borrowers, and then you provide an explanation dayon. You can say this report generates the list of borrowers that includes the book being borrowed, when was it borrowed, when will it be returned. Can you see how the way I explain it, guys? Makita ba ninyo? Hello? Uy, makita ninyo dili, panubag na sila. The book being borrowed, when was it borrowed? When will it be returned? When was it returned? And what is the status? Nakita ninyo the way I explain it? I explain it yapon based on this one. Okay? Based ay nakuha niya. Guys, tagats ninyo kung pasabot wala. Okay. Si Emma nakasabot, si Alford. Abot ang uban. Si Ivy nakasabot gapon, bantay bitaw ni uban dili paningaw ga. Okay. So another na pa dayon. So whenever you do analysis dayon, paminaw guys, whenever you do analysis, again ang reports kay it should be an output of multiple tables. So meaning dili ka pwede mag-ingon nga, sir, ngayon man lagi kani siya lagi kay one table ra siya. Yeah, one table ra siya, but then this table was created based or with foreign keys pag yun nga involved, di ba? Kabantay mo. Now, you could say, like for example, I have another one na po dayon. I would say list of books borrowed per borrower or per customer, di ba? So that would mean I will generate dayon, for example lang ni siya guys I would generate dayon the list of books borrowed for each student or borrower, okay? Diba? So for example, I would say na I can use wait lang. You have it here, attributes use. I can say borrower ID. Okay. I can say borrower name. And then I could also say borrower book name. Diba? So that would mean ang lahat ng books na nahiram ng students, I can generate. Okay? Nakuha ba ninyo kung purpose, guys? So that would indicate na kinakailangan talaga 7 or 8. Kaya nga naman, the list of reports to be generated dayon will be used on your fourth or on your third baya na task performance, ay fourth na di, ay sa fourth task performance ninyo. So kinahanglan, kada isa sa inyo naa siya report nga saman i-perform. So kung ang inyong ma-generate ninyo is upat na kabuk, so that would mean upat na pod kabuk ang pwede mag-next stage, di ba? Nagets ba? So again, kinahanglan or kinakailangan po na yung reports natin it's coming from multiple tables. Okay? It's not okay, like for example, you would say, sir, I would want to list down or list the books lang. O, di ba? Hindi pwede. Kaya naman, you are only basing it you're only basing it sa isa lang ka-table, di ba? But if you would say, sir, I would want to have a list of books borrowed, di ba? That would mean dayo na you can say, okay, so for example, I would say the book name, di ba? I would say book name. I would say dayon, I could even have here the borrow ID, for example, para I will know kung saan transaction ang tanaw na ako. No, I'll use the book ID na lang. Para bitaw klaro gid siya. Lagi. Book ID, wait lang ha. Book ID, book name. I will use the borrow ID para I will understand din kung kinsa ang naghulam. Then I will also have the status dayon. Diba? So that would mean those who are returned or borrowed or on loan pa siya, I can generate dayon. Diba? That's coming from two tables na sad. Nagets ba ninyo guys? Diba? Or I could even say here, kung for example, if it's already, like ang akong goal is, like for example, I would put here in the where clause nga, where status is on loan, then maybe I can also include the due date. Para I will have to identify kung sa dapat iuling. Di ba? Those are examples. Nakatawag na kong tulo ka example lang eh. List of borrowers, list of books borrowed. I could even have list of books returned. Okay? So yun ang dadulaon din guys sa inyong report ninyo. Those are the things you can generate by just looking at this report. Okay? So with that one, you need to really have you need to talk with your group mates. Kaya naman if ikaw ra isa magbuhat daan ni murag maglibog pud ka apil. Okay? Remember, this is just an example. It's quite simple because I'm giving this as an example. But later on, I will give man each of the groups a report. I will send the link lang dayon. Okay? So each group will be provided with kung di ka maghatag sa ako sa list of group members ni mo unya, then I will not also give you your case scenario. Okay? So that's for that's for number 3. Now when you go for number 4 na po dayon, diba? For number 4, of course, what you will do first is that you need to prepare muna. Each and every one of you or each member will prepare sa inyong sump ninyo. Kay mag-sump man mo, di ba? So that would mean you are to put here what are the things you need to remember pag dahil na mga part. For example, i-approve na ako ang inyong number 3 ninyong atas. Kay expect na magbalik-balik mo sa number 3 ha. Kay na mag-iuban bitaw nga dili na siya. Again, the first thing na akong i-reject dayon is if ang report is generated using one table only. Except lang datong transaction table. Of course, the transaction table, it's composed man of other attributes from other tables, so that can be considered. But kani bitong ang uban kay sir nagkuha na kog list of customers, dili pwede. Kay you can just do a select man dana, di ba? Remember, kinakailangan you will perform with joins. Okay? May bawaan nimo pag ang imong report is wrong if walay joins nga magamit. Nakuha ba? Hoy, nakuha wala. Thumbs up daw, bi? Very good. Kaya maragid si Danderek ang sigta maps dani. Sama na sila, eh. Okay. For number 4, kindly remember this one, guys. Para number 4, para klaro sa tatanan. Pag mag number 4 nagali mo gali, kinahanglan tanan, okay? You need to create during bitaw sa inyo bitong meet, dili wrong siya nga dito pamudaan mag-create sa inyong database of table lang. Dili pwede. Kinakailangan before you do the meet, everything is prepared already. Okay? So that would mean dapat Create database and table na daan. Create database and then table. The second one, you need to populate your table sa dayon. When you say populate the table, it means na dapat meron ng at least, how many records? At least 25 records. At least 25 rows or records sa imong database nimo. Okay? So for example, if you have 4 or 5 tables, dapat lahat ng table na yan, it's already created. Dapat lahat ng tables, it's already populated. Okay? Make sure nga the input you provided, for example, kaya di ba like mag laptop, make sure guys na kung ano yung records na ginamit ni leader, yan din yung records na gagamitin nyo all throughout the other members. Kaya nga naman, kaya for example, if ako una mag-demo, and then if I will do the first demonstration on the report, di ba? For example, ako ang na-assign dani sa kanigaling list of books borrowed. Ay, this one is wrong, Daibo. Kaya walay joins may tabo dani. Ay, I can do the joins if I will do the like. Di na ako kuhaon ang borrower ID, kuhaon ako ang borrower F name. Ako sa i-correct akong self sa guys ha. Same goes with book ID, di ba? So multiple tables na siya ha. My God, nasa ko ganyan na. Wala, tabag ganyan na lagi guys. Okay. Di ba? Yan. So I can already use the joins na dayon because I get this attribute from borrower table, and then this one po dayon is sa book na table. Okay. So if for example, I am assigned on this particular report, okay, so I need to make sure na lahat ng tables na gagamitin ko is already okay. It's created, it's populated, and when I do the dayon the sum, I will just copy and paste na lang dayon the query, and then I will explain na dayon nga. This is the I will explain the query, and then I will also explain the result it generated. Okay? Nakuha ba? So if you happen to, like for example, bitaw, let's face it, di man gid na perfect man gid, di ba? Like for example, lahat ng 8 members. For example, yung apat is let's say for example on the third na report can I error, you can help your classmates, okay? Like well during the meet, if ever manggaling na trouble, you are allowed to help, but of course I will be giving only 1 hour and 30 minutes for the whole duration of TP of the task number 4. Okay? It's only 1 hour and 30 minutes lagi dapat. Okay? So munang kinahanglan na-create na ng database, na-create na ang table, naka-practice na mo daan sa inyo sa inyong what you call this one? Sa inyong assigned query, and of course you will be able to explain it. Please make sure nga your other members will understand kung silang ginabuhat kay basin ito paabot sa demo kay o sa kabulong sa ibato niya. Okay? So practice is really needed. Okay? Nakuha ba guys? Hello. Thumbs up daw, B. Matag mga boy thumbs up dani. Sige. Let's now go to the deadlines. The first submission will be on May 17. Yung May 17 natin, that's next week Friday. Okay? I will only be needing a PDF file. So please make sure to follow the format. I will give the PDF file format late, maybe by next week na yun. Need to, please follow up on me about dani ha. The second one, yung deadline natin is May 22. That's 4 days apart. Okay? So for example, if okay na gali, like for example, maing ko nga sa group leader, magpiyama ko na sa group leader dahil nga okay na itong inyo ha, you can proceed with task performance number 3. Okay? So you can do that like katugaling maghimo dahil mo og list of reports. Okay? And then, for example, if okay na ginang inyo ha, okay? Kaya I do think na pag okay imong 1 nimo, dali ra yung number, kung okay imong 1 and 2, dali ra imong 3. So if okay imong 3 nimo, the deadline then will be the next deadline will be on May 24. Okay? So, don't worry kay if ever man lang galing, I'm not sure man sad of the deadline sa grades. Maybe this is not yet final lang. Kaya I'm still asking kung unsay correct gid nga date sa finals. Kaya basin bitaw, murag sayo ra kasahan ko dani. Okay? Maybe I can have it on 27 na lang di para bitaw, di ta tanan ano. Okay na sa iyo akong extra sa 27?
Okay, tayo sir.
Dili okay?
Okay.
Sige. I will have it on 27 na lang para di po tingon nga haggard ang tanan. Okay? So, what do you call this one? Guys, your first task today is to send me a message sa GC of your final list of members. Final list of members. Each group should only be 7 to 8. Okay? 7 to 8 members only. The rest, you create or you form your own group na po dayon. Do not include or please do not give yourself a headache. Ayaw pakapila or ayaw pakapila sa grupo nga you think dili ka makatabang. Okay? Kay it's so 2020 na gid ka nang mag-ingon pa gid nga so dili ko makaapil, it's because I don't have any resources. That's no longer an issue. Palihog ko. I already told you na you need to find ways. Okay? Guys, I will be sharing with you the Google Sheet para you're only a viewer on this one na. Viewer lang mo dani. You will have access on it but then it's only for viewing. Nasa atong GC nato. Okay? Sige. I need you now to ask questions. Sige ba? Kindly ask questions. Emma, what's your question?
Good afternoon, sir. Permission to speak. Clarification na po, sir. Doon po sa yung bitong form table po, 'di ba, yung first normal, second normal form, and the
Ay,
third.
wala nang 1F, 2NF. Automatically, I will ask for the 3NF na.
Okay, sir.
Para mas
Clarification na po, sir. Katabi itong, doon po sa mga title po, every,
Pwede
ano po, every generate po ng ano? Or,
what do you mean, like this one?
the report po, that one, sir.
What's your question, man?
Is that the title of our table or ano lang siya?
No, the reports are the type. This one bitaw. This is the title of your reports. The name of your tables are this one. Okay, yeah. So these are the title of your reports, kanisha.
Okay, example na siya, sir, kanang 1, 2, 3 nimo.
Yeah,
Okay,
these are
sir.
example. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
What else? Sige, you need to ask question, guys. Mas kikakiwagay mong gibidyuhan na. Okay. What are other questions you can ask, man? Sige daw din. One question, sure na gid ni. Sige. Okay. I think I could still remember on my notes. Yes, Dan Derek, what's your question?
Tanan may magana, sir, mag-discuss sa Gmeet, sir. Kami tanan ni group, tanan ng member.
Amo tanan mag?
Tanang mag-demo.
Yeah. Now,
Pwede pili na.
I have it here. Dapat kung tayo each of the member will be formed. I'll have it read para makakaroon.
Ako, sir.
Okay. What else? Daniel, what's your question? Do we have any other questions aside from that?
Wala, sir, kay.
Okay, guys, same po na, if you are not present in the in all of the tasks yun. Like for example, sir, naa siya sa task 1, pero wala siya sa 2, wala siya sa 3, pero wala sa 4, dili pwede. Okay? Leaders, I will give you the responsibility and accountability nga pag wala nagali siya sa 2 o 3, remove them from the group. We will not tolerate it. Kaya ano, it's already nagali Parang mo ng mga problema karon sa third year kaya they're already complaining with their members. Those members who are not responsible enough, we will not tolerate them. Remove them from the group. Ako lang mismo maingon, remove them. Okay? Kay lisod kisan makigrupo sa mga dilig kabrog tabang. Okay? Nakuha ba? 2E.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sige. If not leaders, pag naagali problema sa inyong members, kay kamo ba yung nagpili ba? Dili ako nagpili. Gusto mo ako magpili kay para gid mapatas ang tanan. But I will not do it kay based on my experience, ako po dahil ang blame. So mas maayo nang kamo lang kitang mag-game sa inyong groupings ninyo. I will give you the benefit or the freedom to choose who are your members. Again, 7 to 8 members only. After that, you can do na dahil the task performance. Please take note of the deadlines. Okay? Nakuha ba? Sige. Kung wala ng question, that's all for advanced database. And I do hope